All right, here we come to the elevator at the Fort Worth TMP Trinity Railway Express Station in downtown Fort Worth, Texas. It's a Dover. Peek. There's the commuter train we're gonna get on. Go outside, ring the bell, and get upstairs. Good cab view of this thing. All right, let's go back upstairs and catch our train before we miss it. This is a Dover DMC. That's your selector right there, which reads the elevator. All right. There it goes. They could have put the door on this side rather than on the rear, so that way it's convenient for people to get on. But anyways, that'll be it. Thanks for watching.